In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove members from Trello in just 5 minutes. Whether you're streamlining teamwork or managing your projects efficiently, knowing how to adjust your team members in Trello can be very handy. So let's begin and break down every step so you can follow along smoothly and accomplish this task with ease. First, you'll want to go to Trello. You can do this by simply opening your browser and typing in Trello.com. Once you arrive at the site, you'll need to log in. Trello offers multiple ways to sign in, whether you prefer using email, single sign-on, or perhaps logging in through a connected service like Google or Microsoft. Choose whichever method works best for you. Just make sure you can access the workspace and boards you need to manage. After logging in, the next step is to select the specific workspace where you want to remove a member. Workspaces in Trello are essentially collections of boards. It's where collaboration occurs, so it's critical you're in the right place. Browse through your Trello dashboard until you find and click on the desired workspace to enter. Once you're inside the workspace, you'll find yourself on the boards page. Here, you need to navigate to the top right side of your screen, where you'll see your profile picture or your initials if you haven't uploaded a photo. Click on this icon, which will expand a menu of options related to your account settings and workspace. Next, click on Settings from this drop-down menu. You'll then want to focus your attention on the Members option under the Workspace section. This is where you manage who has access to what within your workspace, and it's crucial for team management and security. Now, you'll see a list of all the members who currently have access to this workspace. Carefully scroll through the list to find the specific member you'd like to remove. Once identified, you'll notice there's an option to remove next to their name. Clicking Remove will prompt a choice, either to remove them entirely from the workspace or simply to deactivate their access to a specific board. Choose the option that fits your need. If you want them out of the whole workspace, select to remove them entirely. If it's just for one board, then deactivating their access to that board might be more appropriate. And that's it. You've successfully removed or modified member access on Trello. Remember, managing your team effectively not only helps maintain a streamlined workflow, but also ensures that your projects are kept secure and organized. Revisit these steps whenever necessary, and you're bound to keep your workspace running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.